I don't think I'm going to do as much as she did. So she starts up on matte skin. Today is Tuesday and I'm going to do my take on the cool girl makeup. My inspiration today is going to be Tasha Washa. Let me just try to find her real quick because she looks so cute. I don't think I'm going to do as much as she did. So she starts up on matte skin and then it looks like she blush, lots of blush. I feel like I do this every day anyway, but let's do it today. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with matte. She said you have to have matte skin. So I forgot which combination I said I used, but I'm gonna probably use both of these. I'm gonna use this to cover up my blemishes and then use this to go over top. So really just that. Just cover around my mouth. The reason I'm doing this today is because I actually I'm wearing winter white today. Like as part of my theme for school. Every day we have like something different. And today it's wear winter white. Alright, step 2 is blush. Lots of blush. So I don't know if I want this one or this one. So I usually use this one. I'm going to use that. So you blush me up. She said lots of blush. This is my normal blush routine, y'all. So it's not too much blush. This is literally what I normally do. So. I'm going to go in with a concealer using 2, chestnut, you see, and warm sand. She said you want to conceal and you want to brighten, so we're going to do both. Wet my beauty blender. I'll be right back. Okay, and now I'm gonna go in with, just move myself over. I have to do my brows, so I'm gonna go in with this Refi. I'm gonna let that sit. Hopefully it doesn't stay white. And then she goes back in with more blush. So I usually use this palette second, and I'm gonna actually set my face as well. Some people do their whole eye. For me, I'm just going to do my inner corners. I'm going to find like a bright color. So I feel like this is called Moremi. It's pretty bright. Or I could even take, I think I actually might do instead, is just take a highlighter and put on, maybe like combine these in the corner. So I'm going to do my brows off camera and then I'm going to come back and finish the rest. Okay, so now that my brows are done and they look okay, I'm going to go in, I think, with this palette, Anastasia palette, and just along my like bottom waterline in my inner corner, I'm gonna put, I don't know which colors. Let's try Moonstone and Shimmer, because those are pretty bright. So these two, Moonstone, Shimmer. Looks pretty. And then the last thing I think she did was like a glossy lip. This has got to be the glossiest lip I have. And then I'm gonna just take Refi. I'm gonna do the Makeup by Mario. This is in Honey Glow. My lips are crooked. I wanted to have a little color. I think she kind of like left it like this, but it was like a pinky color. I don't know if I have anything. I could put on Tiramisu from NYX. It's like a little bit more pinky than this. Okay, so that's like my final lip look. So I'm gonna leave my lips like this, which are super glossy. I'm gonna set my under eye. Still very. I'm like, where are you going today? I'm like, nowhere. I did this for a video. Okay, so that's it. I have to also put on some stuff on my face. I usually do my edges, so I'm gonna just do those first. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter. You wanna kiss my lips? So that completes my hair, which looks pretty good. I'm gonna just put Chi and Kendra on it and pray that it stays. You know how this goes, because every day Kendra stays too. This is my completed look for my cold girl makeup, but I had to finish my look, so I'll take a thumbnail pic later, but I just wanted to come and show you guys what I did, and I hope you like it.